This is a real-life story of many million raindrops and 9 youngsters from Manipur.
I'm Deacon Son Pao, Elias Pao Boy.
I'm Rosie Nyangai Kim.
Jerry Ginten Sang.
Ba Boy Chingnei Ba. Linda Ngai Sian Moa.
I'm Lulun.
Chung Boy Nam De Chung.
I'm Kaizama. Tony Thangni Sang.
And the raindrops. This is a 22-year-old man-made lake located inside Kishkinda Amusement Park with water harvested from the Chennai rains, a city famous for its paucity of rains. No wonder it is aptly called the Rain Lake. And the 9 Manipuri youth?
Last 2 students working in a restaurant.
Sales executive, private company.
I was a teacher.
I was working in hotel industry.
I was a student of plus 2.
I was a beautician.
I'm a sportsman.
I was study plus 2.
And now, a flashback. Executives from Kishkinda had been scouting for a water ski show team all over the world, especially at amusement industry trade shows since 2005. Finally, they struck a deal with Jeremy Armstrong of H2O Productions, who assembled 12 skiers from USA, Canada and Australia. Summer of 2010, the Rain Lake witnesses the first ever water ski show in the Indian waters. The US, Canadian and Australian flags laid a virtual siege over the Rain Lake with their stunning performances. But as the 2-month show reached its end, the question remained, does it mean the end of water skiing in India? And here starts the story of the 9 Manipuri youth. They were given the basic training by the outgoing skiers for 2 months. Their eligibility being skill in swimming and, more importantly, great urge to excel in life.
Training was a lot of fun.
It's too hard.
It was fun.
It was too difficult at the beginning.
The training was good. Training was difficult and tough.
I never believed to become water skier.
15th August 2010. After 4 months of intensive training, the 9 youth launched their own show, the Flag Ski. In the very first feat itself, they proudly parade the tricolour for the first time on Indian waters, accompanied by the national flags of their gurus. This small step in water skiing self-sufficiency was followed by a giant leap on the ramp by Tony. The risky somersault is simply awesome. The twin ramp jump adds to the variety. The feminine charm of the mermaids works everywhere, more so on water. The most spectacular was the 360-degree stunt, the ATB or around the boat. That is Jerry at death-defying pace. On the wakeboard is Pao Boy riding on the crest of the wave. He has 3 varieties to offer: a twist, a flight, and a somersault. And nothing can be more stunning than the climax, the pyramid. The tricolour on the summit of the pyramid is more than a coincidence on our 63rd Independence Day. Yes, This is the success story of the first water skiers in India, the rain skiers. They are indigenously harvested, very much like the rain lake on which they wrought history. Today, their perspiration fills the rain lake, and soon they will be setting the waters on fire in the rest of the country.
We will go places. I want to improve more. I feel good now.
I feel it very good.
The champion of water ski.
A champion wakeboarder.
The best man of jump ski in Indian country.
A world champion in wakeboard.
I want to be a mother of Laura.